We must work quickly. The sun will be strong soon.
Yes, but the morning air is good for the soul.
Biz de kim gefeno. İteci bandik satone papines kaze kaki करचेती है.
Blades begin the rhythm of dough creation. Blades begin the rhythm of dough creation.
Precision hydration binds every particle.
From grain to mass, structure takes form.
The journey continues across steel pathways.
Pressure shapes consistency.
Uniformity defines quality. A fine dust prepares for precision. Circles emerge with mechanical precision. Nothing is wasted in modern systems. Gentle heat prepares them for the rise. Controlled warmth strengthens structure.
Data confirms readiness.
The final transformation awaits.
Heat unlocks the signature rise. Steam within creates the hollow heart.
Excess oil falls away. Air sets the crisp shell.
Color speaks of perfect timing.
Precision removes imperfections.
Even fragments serve a purpose.
Cooling completes the crisp.
Automation ensures flawless shells. Only perfection moves ahead. Numbers organize abundance.
Conditioned grain moves toward its first blend.
Heat awakens the grain for transformation.
Every sealed pack advances to verification.
Precision weight confirms measured accuracy.
Standards leave no room for compromise. Safety is scanned into every package.
Traceability secures accountability.
Human eyes reinforce machine precision.
Packaging takes structural form.
Every box is shaped for strength.
Seals are tested against time and travel.
Automation ensures gentle precision. Automation ensures gentle precision. Identity meets presentation.
Precision ensures stable transport.
Security is sealed in place. Preparation begins for bulk movement.
Technology organizes scale.
Protection locks every layer together. Human skill guides the final movement.
Scale expands beyond the factory floor.
Storage secures readiness.
Edges are reinforced for the journey.
Data tracks every destination.
Technology maps the supply chain.
Bridges connect production to market. Orders move toward fulfillment. Distribution begins at the threshold. Power carries the product outward.
From grain to golden shell, the cycle moves beyond these walls.
Bulk movement powers commerce. Stability ensures safe travel. The journey prepares to begin.
Pressure reveals hidden weaknesses.
Crispness is measured in precise numbers.
Strength defines the perfect shell.
Cleanliness is verified beyond sight.
Time confirms microbial safety.
Numbers translate into confidence.
Certification authorizes distribution.
The path forward is cleared.
One last look before departure.
Movement begins once more. The final stage unfolds. Scale meets global demand.
Efficiency defines modern logistics.
Security ensures trusted delivery. From this gate, the journey continues. Production meets the wider world.
The supply chain completes its arc.
Each carton moves toward consumers.
From factory floor to store shelf.
A simple choice backed by complex systems.
The cycle never truly stops. Behind every pack stands skilled hands.
Modern production blends tradition with technology.
And this is how modern factories produce Pani Puri from start to finish.